Do you keep getting login failed error in FIFA Mobile on your iPhone? If you're experiencing a login failed issue while trying to connect with your Facebook, Google, and other accounts, then don't worry. Here are some quick guides to fix this problem. Solution 1. Check and fix the internet connection. Make sure that your internet is working fine. Open up a browser and go to any website you wish. If it's not loading, then turn on the airplane mode for 10 seconds. Then turn it back off. Or you can switch your network Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. Solution 2. If you're getting this error specifically for Facebook, then open up the Facebook app from your device, tap on Profile, scroll down, tap Settings and Privacy, tap Settings, scroll down again, tap Apps and Website. Turn on this option and check your issue. Solution 3. If you're getting this error specifically for Google account, then open Google from your device, tap on the profile, tap on Google account, tap Data and Privacy, scroll down, then tap Third-Party Apps and Services, tap Settings, make sure to enable this option, then check your issue. Hope one of these processes will fix the login failed issue for FIFA Mobile on your iPhone. Now, if you still have any problems, share with me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.